So I'm going to walk through how I'm going to make one of these coils. Just one. Double-sided tape, and hold it down. 16 average gauge wire, just Amazon basic speaker wire. This is how cheap and easy you can make these things. 4-inch disc. It's nice acrylic. It's got the peeled off inside. Peel off one side. Nice double tape right down the center. Twist. Where the sticky thing gets important. This thing is right in the center. Hold it. Just to fit. Okay. Well. Here is the complete one. Right. It's 4 inches in diameter. I'm painting the backside orange. Then I'm going to paint the glass orange. Sandwich it down. And that'll be the base of it. It'd be nice and colored on the bottom. Underneath, the LED, high powered. Probably 30 to 50 watts. Straight through. And the Vogel crystal. There's a speaker system underneath it. So that's the test. And there's going to be 7 of these, each for different chakras along the system that I'm building. So yeah, that's how you wrap. And I'm going to make a ton of extra ones. I got enough. I got like 200 feet of this. And these will have a 4 ohm 50 watt resistor with them, the power supply, so that way when you pulse them, it's not going to burn anything out. It'll be just like a 4-watt subwoofer speaker. I don't like to watch it. I got a lot more layers on it. All right, that's how you wind those.